Are you twiddling your thumbs on whether video marketing should be your next digital approach? Perhaps you're wanting to learn whether it's worth the hype and are wanting some tangible stats and strategy to lean on. This video will fill you in on what video marketing is, the benefits of it, the types of videos you can start creating, and the software you can utilize to get rolling. What's good, guys? It's Cam here from Neighborhood, where we help brands find, sell, and keep their people. So what is video marketing? Video marketing is all about creating and sharing videos online to promote your business. This includes anything from product demos and testimonials to behind the scenes footage and company culture videos. No matter what type of content you create, the goal is always the same: to showcase your brand in a positive light and generate interest in your products or services. In fact, businesses believe in it so much that according to the State of Video Marketing report, 79% of marketers are planning on implementing video marketing within their 2022 strategy. But why so many? Well, this is likely because online video watching has almost doubled since 2018. Let's explore the benefits of video marketing now. To start off, it's more engaging and easier to consume. People are finding that videos are more engaging and are an efficient way to consume content. In fact, 96% of people in a survey said that they watched an explainer video to learn more about a product or service. Call us lazy, but videos are easier to digest than text because they don't require as much mental effort to process. We can quickly take in a lot of information when it's presented to us in a visual format than over text, in addition to it being genuinely more engaging than reading blocks of text. Next, they're shared more on social media. With the rise of platforms like YouTube and TikTok, it's easier than ever to create and share videos with a wider audience. In its list of 9 social media trends for 2022, Hootsuite put TikTok as the most important social networking for marketing, and TikTok only does videos. However, even if you haven't converted, the algorithms for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all began prioritizing videos over text years ago. Also, videos tell stories. There's just something about seeing moving images that brings a story to life in a way that static images can't quite match. Maybe it's because we as human beings are hardwired for motion, or maybe it's because videos add an extra layer of immersion by adding sound and music. Whatever the reason, there's no denying that videos have a unique ability to capture our attention and imagination. And as more and more people consume media on their mobile devices, it's only going to become increasingly more important for businesses and storytellers to take advantage of this powerful medium. Another benefit is that videos make it easier to highlight specific products and services. A well-produced video can show off a product in all of its glory, demonstrating its features and benefits in a way that text and still images simply can't match. And unlike traditional advertising, which interrupts and annoys viewers, videos can easily be shared online, reaching a far wider audience in a way that feels organic and natural. In other words, videos are the perfect way to get your message across without saying a word. Another big benefit that can't be ignored is that videos lead to more leads. 64% of consumers purchase a product after watching social videos created by brands. One of the main reasons for this is that videos can lead to high consumer trust. Many video sharing platforms allow you to put a call to action or link to your site in the video's description or on the video itself, meaning there's more opportunities on offer to generate traffic to your site, leads for products, and eventually more sales. Finally, videos can improve your brand. By telling your story through video and reaching a broader audience, you can make your brand more recognizable and get your message and products across quicker. Videos can provide customer testimonials, product demonstrations, and much more. Now that we know what video marketing is and why it's so beneficial, let's take a look at some of the different types of videos you could make. A few different types of videos that you can start utilizing are likely one that you've invested time in watching beforehand, which are product and service videos. A product or service video is a short film that showcases a particular product, usually in a way that is both informative and hopefully entertaining. These videos are often used by businesses to promote to potential customers. Product videos might showcase the product itself and feature someone using it. Service videos help business explain what they do and how their services can benefit potential customers. Both product and service videos can be extremely effective marketing tools, as they provide potential customers with an engaging way to learn about a new business or product. The next type of videos are how-to videos. How-to videos have actually become our most recent addition here at Neighborhood, where we showcase how to utilize features of a software called HubSpot. These videos provide instructions on how to complete a task and help your audience learn new skills or troubleshoot problems. They often feature step-by-step instructions, diagrams, and best practice tips, and tricks. Brands can use how-to videos for their specific products, but also share expert knowledge around the industry. For example, if you sell wine, then you may want to do a how-to video on tasting wines, like an expert, or how to select a wine that's right for a specific occasion. The goal of these videos is to help the consumer walk away more informed than before, hoping that they remember it was your business that taught them that skill. Third, we've got customer testimonial videos. Word of mouth is the world's longest and still most effective form of advertising. We're pretty certain cave dwellers weren't posting ads on Google to attract more people to their fireside chats. Instead, they had to do the work of telling others what they were missing out on. Today, with review sites everywhere, it's very common for people to look at a review before stepping into a store or making a purchase. Customer testimonial videos provide potential customers with proof that your product or service works and could lead to more sales and higher credibility. Next is event coverage videos. If your company visits trade shows or industry events, it may be beneficial for you to showcase some footage from those events for your audience members. It shows that you're out there doing the work, and it provides them with a point of contact in case they want to stop by and see your company in action. Finally is brand overview videos. If you're a new company or in a new space, it may benefit you to do a brand overview video introducing yourself and what you do to the world. Sometimes when people hear about a company, the first thing they do is go to its website or social media pages. Putting a quick introduction on your web properties could go a long way in helping others learn more about your products and services. Of course, these are just some of the many videos you could produce. There is no one-size-fits-all video for every business. So if you're unsure where to get started, you may want to consider doing a video from each category over time. So you've got the benefits, you've got the types of videos you can explore, but what about the software and tools to make your videos stand out? Like any good tradesperson, a marketer is only as good as the tools they use, and these are some to consider. First is Video Marketing Blaster. Video Marketing Blaster can help you gain a lot of targeted traffic by helping you rank on the first page of Google. It's an excellent tool for beginners. Some features include finding unique keywords, generating optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your videos. It helps drive traffic, helps you with SEO optimization, even with zero experience. And similar to this, there's also TubeBuddy, which Neighborhood uses and works much the same. As a best practice tip to be discovered more on Google, make sure you include chapters, which you can do in your video description by adding a timestamp for when specific topics are discussed. You might notice that these are in our play button right here. Next is VidTune. VidTune is an app that makes it easy to create videos and animation. It's useful for global marketing, email marketing, affiliate marketing, selling your videos, interactive and live videos, instant video publishing, and upsell video marketing. With quite the list, some other sweet features are that it provides an auto-translate for marketing globally, offers interactive features like countdowns, edits your videos in real time, automatic text language translation, features like ready-to-use slides, smart elements, voiceover recording and audio editing, and even 24/7 customer support. Next, one platform you may have seen floating about is Vimeo. Vimeo is an online video software that offers storage and collaboration features. Its player is fast and highly embeddable. It offers advanced metrics, including being able to tell you who is watching your videos and when. Some more features are its amazing video quality, management and storage, and privacy, post-production and collaboration, customized players, tools, domain and geo restrictions, also with custom end screens and lead generation, featuring call to actions, email marketing, Google Analytics, advanced stats, engagement graphs, social sharing, and worldwide distribution. The list goes on. Next is Biteable. Biteable is a video editing software that makes it easier to create professional videos quickly. It has thousands of built-in templates, which lets video editors create and sell content more quickly than ever before. Bitable's premium plans are powerful enough for large business enterprises and brands to promote and sell their products. Some features worth mentioning are make high-quality videos fast on its platform, has a built-in library with endless footage and animation, including 85,000 Shutterstock clips, the ability to upload your own photos with easy personalizations, and thousands of beautiful templates that can be posted straight to social media. Finally, and most notably, here is Adobe Premiere. If you've got the time to invest into learning the platform, it really does feature a suite of capabilities to make your videos top-notch. Some notable features are a stack of special effects, color correction flexibility, VR editing support, software integration, and audio editing. There are a ton of unique tools and pieces of software to utilize to transform your video content, but don't shy away of spending the extra cash on getting it done by the pros. Much like you're an expert in your field, there's video editors that are pros in theirs, like Vlad, who is editing this very video you're watching right now. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Now let's look at how to create a video for your business. We've outlined these steps to video marketing creation. Find the purpose, consider the form, write a script, gather your equipment, shoot the video, edit the video, and then publish the video. Step 1, purpose. The first step to video creation is giving your video a purpose. You want to ensure that it fits your overall marketing strategy. Whether in video or text form, any content that comes from a brand should either inform, educate, or entertain their audience. And the purpose of the video should be to drive awareness, traffic to a site, or sell products and services. Step 2, video forms. Next, you want to consider what form your video will take. Is it 30 to 90 second short video for socials, or a longer several minute video that dives deeper into the topic you're broadcasting? What type of video is it? What's the call to action at the end, or what links do you need to attach to your video? Deciding what form your video will take is paramount to our next step, being script writing. Script writing is where you want to spend a decent chunk of your time. Before pushing record and spending valuable resources, getting your script in a great spot can save you a lot of trouble down the line. It makes shooting easier and more organized, and it provides a roadmap when editing. Even if you're doing a video with no words, you should frame out what each part of your video will feature. Remember, you don't have to stick to the script 100% of the time, but you should take a few rounds of feedback before setting up your equipment. Step 4 is equipment. Whether it's your phone or a more advanced camera, you'll first need something to shoot your video with. Next, you'll need a microphone to collect a clean sound that isn't intrusive into your video shot. This could be like the mic I'm wearing right now. With that, you also need a space to shoot. If you can't afford to invest in expensive equipment, we get it. So hire a team instead. There are lots of them out there, and many will even help you get your script in a great place and provide you with all the information you need to start shooting. Step 5 is shooting. When shooting, don't be afraid to do multiple takes to nail your delivery. Not only will this make the video look good, but it gives you or your subject the opportunity to feel comfortable in front of a camera as well. Make sure your lighting is good and that the message is spoken clearly. Step 6, video editing. Once you have all your footage, edit it into a nice, crisp video that fits within the time allotted. And step 7, publish your video. Publishing your video may seem as easy as clicking upload and then sharing it across all your social channels and website, but to make sure that it has the impact you're after, you want to include the right keywords in your title and description, whilst adding end frames and a call to action at the end. And finally, it's time to market your video. Video marketing should be part of your overall marketing strategy. This means aligning your videos with your web properties, social platforms, business purposes, and overall sales. Creating a video can be grueling and quickly draining of you or your resources and energy unless you're well prepared or have a great team helping you. Don't hesitate to reach out to Neighborhood if you're eager to get on top of your video marketing strategy this year. That's it from me. Happy marketing.